Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Living Fitter channel by Florence Straka. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make ginger and clove tea. This tea really helps burn fat, it really helps cleanse the system, it boosts your immune system, and it helps you regulate, it helps cleanse the body, and it cleans all the toxic that are in our body, and really helps. Drinking 1 glass of this every evening before going to bed really makes a big difference. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and this only takes a few minutes to do. You can drink this in the morning or in the evening. It really helps with our weight loss. It really helps losing the fat in the body. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Stay with me as I put everything together, and I'll see you right back here. So in today's video, this is the cloves. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of cloves, and then I'm going to use just like a thumb size ginger that I'm going to be using. So I am just going to take, this is the 1 teaspoon of clove. I love cloves. The cloves have a lot of medicinal properties to it. It's good for the health, for the body. It cleanses the body really nice. Cleanse all toxic from the body. So cloves is really good. And I am going to just add a thumb size ginger. So just there. And you don't want to peel it off because the skin, actually the fiber contains in the skin, and that really is also have a good properties which boost your immune system as well. So you don't want to cut this off. So all I'm going to do is just chop this into pieces, and I'm going to wash the cloves before I put it in the pan. Alright, so I'm going to put my ginger in there. I'm going to add 1 glass of water, and then I'm going to put my cloves, and I'm going to add 1.5 cup of water, so just half more, and we are going to let this boil for at least 10 minutes, and I'm going to cover it, and it's on just high so it can boil quickly. And I'm just going to cover this and for it to boil for 10 minutes. So since I already used a warm water, it's not going to take long to boil. So at least we're going to boil it for at least for 7 minutes, and then our tea should be ready for us. Okay, so it's almost 10 minutes. So it's 10 minutes, and I'm going to lower the heat now. And we can see it has boiled down nicely, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to strain it. All right, so I am going to strain this now into this jar. You can see how the cloves have dissolved in the ginger. You see how the color is all changed. And then with this, you don't have to throw this away, because this is also, you can cook this again. It still have all the ingredients still in here, so you don't need to throw this away. You can boil it again. So I am going to give it a taste to this for you to see how it tastes like, and you can make this anytime. Make sure you drink this before bedtime. It helps that way. Hello friends, so we just finished making our ginger and cloves tea, and this smells so good. I can smell the cloves, the ginger, and this you can set it out, you can set it down to cool before you drink, but you want to drink it a little bit warmer so it's not too cold before you drink it. For me, I like to drink my tea very warm, and so I'm going to drink it just like this, and I'm going to give it a taste. The ginger, the cloves, everything dissolved nicely. You can add lemon juice, like 1 tablespoon of lemon juice if you want, but if you don't, that is just optional, and it just makes it a little bit, giving a different taste, but everything else will be in there. And so I would love you to drink it. This tea really, because of the cloves, because of the energy boosting in the ginger and the clove, the medicinal properties that contains in cloves, so this really helps with fat starts burning in your body. This really helps to cleanse and boost immune system. So this tea really, it's something that is really good for you to drink. You want to drink this before bed and see the difference that it makes, because it works that way. Drink this before bed and you'll see the difference that it's going to make. This cleans the intestines and it cleans all the toxics that's in our food, all the food that we eat. It cleans the body and it regulates your whole system. And so ginger cloves tea is very, very good for you. It's very, very good for your body. It's very, very good to cleanse your whole system and to give you that fresh and healthy body that you need. You have to drink this continuously. It's not just for one day. Just keep doing it every evening before you go to bed, and you see the difference that it will make in life. So I hope this video helps you in any way. I drink this myself, so I want to show this to you so you can make this. Not many people see the benefit that comes from ginger and cloves, and for me, with my cookings and everything, I incorporate ginger, cloves, fennel seed, all spices in my food because of the health benefits that it contains. So that's why I want to show you this little simple tea that will make a big difference for you. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also like, share, comment. If you have questions, any questions, leave it in the comment section below for me and I'll get back to you. As always, I thank you for watching my videos, and stay healthy, stay blessed, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.